This is Carson with Tag Roofing and Restoration at 10308 September Drive for Bailey, Rolsen, and I am here to perform a BT, brittleness test. And in order to do that test, this is just going to simulate just getting a hammer, getting a flat nailing surface, lifting the shingle 3 times, showing that it is or deemed some sort of repairable. So in order to do that, I will need to loosen this row's shingles and then this row, and then I'm going to come back down here, and then I am going to lift it 3 times just to simulate getting a flat nailing surface and getting a hammer and nail underneath the shingles. Now I'm going to set you back down here just so I can use 2 hands and carefully do this. You do have to recall, or you do have to note that while doing this BT, or if you did do a full repair, you would be getting and working up into this ridge bend, okay? So again, I'm going to start by unsealing this shingle. Very, very gently unseal this shingle. So we've got one corner. As you can see, it is giving me a lot of oomph. And just there, you have a tear in the shingle already from just trying to get it up. So again, you got that right there. Now I'm going to continue because again, we want to simulate this as best as we can. So again, loosen this shingle. And again, being as delicate as we can. Okay, now I'm going to go up here and loosen this. It is not wanting to work with us whatsoever. But we've got this shingle unsealed now. Okay. We've got this one partially unsealed because it is connected to that. So this is all unsealed. This is unsealed. And now I'm going to go to this. And just to make sure that it is being caught. Okay, I'm going to lift this 3 times, simulating a repair. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I'm going to have to deem this a failed BT with the creasing along the top. All you would do is continuously damage this shingle. This is a failed BT. And as you can see, you've got mat transfer from here to the top of the shingle. And again, we did that at the initial, just trying to unseal the shingle. And then you've got mat transfer, and you've got a crease along the top. I am going to have to deem this a failed BT. This is a fail.